Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. We have a quick little short video today. I am proud to announce that I am going to launch a Facebook group. I have been going out of my mind with all these different detailing groups. Some of these stupid questions and posts. Some things are just so ridiculous. I don't even know why they're allowed. It drives my OCD insane. Been thinking about this for about a year. So I am officially announcing our Facebook group. It is facebook.com/North Texas Ceramic Coatings. I will double check that. I will put it across the video screen here in text. There'll be a link in the description below in the video. This is not about self-promotion. This is about pro detailers and amateur detailers, newcomers to the industry, or if you're just a car fanatic and you love to detail your own car. This is the place to get tips, tricks, get opinions on products, all that good stuff. This is not a sponsored group. We're not pushing any kind of products. This is by detailers for detailers. I am the only moderator at this point in time. I may add some people if the group gets big enough, but there are enough groups that are not, it's like the admins don't even exist. Some groups, there's just people trying to push their own products and yada yada. So I finally have had enough, and I am proud to announce and excited to announce the launch of our Facebook group. So please come join us. There will be more videos here in the future on product reviews, new products, etc., all the good stuff, the stuff you've come to expect from the channel. So have a great weekend, everybody. It's Friday when I'm recording this. Hopefully I get it all put together and posted and uploaded and all that good stuff so it'll launch on Saturday morning. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. See you all soon.